Food Explorers! This is Lian Valentin at gagawin ko ngayon ang pinakamahirap na dish ng mommy ko. Galing itong Bicol because my mom has Bicolana roots and mahilig kami sa spicy foods. And ito ang pamana niya sa akin, ang laing ni mommy. Sa dinami-dami ng dishes ng mom ko, ito pa rin talaga yung nasa top ng list, yung laing. Foodie mom ko and super hilig niya magluto na to the point na kahit medyo tumatanda na siya, parang 2 years ago, graduate siya ng culinary class. So nag-aral talaga pa siya para matuto pa lalo magluto. Usually, niluluto ko to kapag nandito yung mommy ko or yung mommy ko nasa tabi ko lang. Ngayon ko pa lang siya maluluto ng solo. So, mataas yung standards ng mom ko and sana maabot ko yung standards niya kapag natikman ng kung sino man ang titikim nito dahil natatakot akong tikman siya. Ayan, so habang pinapa-brown pa natin yung pork, ayan, medyo may color na siya, pwede na natin ilagay yung sibuyas, bawang, and luya. Tapos, haluin lang natin ng konti. Pagkagisa natin, lalagay natin yung bagoong. Ayan. Ang next step naman natin is pwede na natin ilagay ang unang gata. Pagkalagay natin ng ating unang gata, haluin lang natin siya ng haluin hanggang sa mag-boil siya. Ayan, kumukulo na ang ating gata, ilalagay na natin yung dahon ng gabi. Sobrang bango talaga nitong dahon ng gabi. Pag nagluluto yung mom ko nito, nakalatag yan, di ba? Inaamoy ko siya palagi. After 25 to 30 minutes, ito na ang ating laing so far. Nakikita nyo, sobrang green na. And ilalagay naman natin yung ikalawang gata. Pagkalagay natin ng ikalawang gata, pwede na natin ilagay yung sile na green. Bukod dun sa siling green, lalagyan natin ng red na chilies. Ayan, after 10 minutes, ito na ang ating laing. Nako, kung makakaamoy lang yung camera, sana naaamoy nyo to. Sobrang bango. Yan, ito na yung laing natin. Ah, sarap. Ito ang pamana sa akin na dish ng aking mommy Lizelle, laing. Kinakabahan ako kasi food tasting na ng laing dahil syempre special dito ng mommy ko and gusto ko na maging proud siya na naman ako tong special dish niya na to. Let's go! Gusto niya nga ipamana sa akin yung dish, di ba? Hanggang sa pamana ko siguro sa magiging mga anak ko, ganyan. Kaya nakakatakot ilutuin ng first time. Pero I think nagawa ko naman kasi masarap talaga siya. Ang sarap! Perfect! Hello mga ka-Food Explorers! Nandito na naman ako at nandito tayo ngayon sa Maria Luisa Garden Room at Makati Garden Club. At syempre kasama natin si Chef Tanya.
Hello.
Siyang head chef dito and titikman natin ang kanilang mga dishes.
So the salad is it's called Maria Luisa's Garden Salad. Okay, so it's like our parang, what do you call that? Like our star salad.
Yeah, okay.
So most of it comes from the garden. We have a small backyard garden in the back, and then we grow our own herbs, and then sometimes lettuce, and then arugula. So a lot of those stuff are there.
Super sarap. I love it, Chef. Yung avocado, nag-a-add siya ng contrast dun sa medyo, tangy or sourness.
So this one's the beef tartar. So the beef tartar is actually Pitayama beef. So it's local Wagyu raised in Mindanao. So as much as possible, we try to source local.
That's very nice na nakaka-help tayo sa ating mga local farmers
Food
and sellers.
industry, yeah.
So mga ka-Food Explorers, ito ang ating beef tartar. Yan, and it's raw. It's not for everyone. It has this flavor na very, sa taste buds. And I like it with the onions.
Okay.
It's so much better when it comes to texture, na may crunch siya. And hindi mo masyadong napipil or may isip na it's Robbie.
It started way, way back in the late 50s, early 60s. Our charter is basically to promote the greening and the environment in Makati. So this is one of the sanctuaries, one of the open spaces, the last few in Makati. The gardens are open to the public. Anybody is welcome to come in, wander around. However, the cafe is strictly for members. But members can invite their guests, just like all the other clubs do.
Super intriguing yung soup. It's like opening a surprise. Yummy, it's creamy. And matitaste mo talaga na fresh yung ingredients na gamit nila and the seafood.
This one of our crowd favorites. It's the Negros crab pasta with truffle. So the sauce here is made from seafood stock and it's topped with fresh Negros crab. So local pa rin.
Yeah, it's good. Iba pala talaga kapag may crab. It's my first time trying truffle pasta with
Okay.
crab in it. Very sarap. Kaya pala it's a crowd favorite. Everyone will love this.
And that's our hibiscus lemongrass iced tea.
So sa mga may gumamela dyan sa labas, gawin niyo ng hibiscus tea. Meron siyang aftertaste ng lemongrass and ginger.
It's Bloody Maria. It's our version naman of Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary kasi has vodka. So this one naman
Has tequila.
it's tomato juice and it has salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. And then
Worcestershire tequila.
Kung sobrang bata pa ako, may intimidate ako doon. At baka hindi ko mainom. Pero it's really yummy, guys. Wait, there's more! So guys, this is Maria Luisa Ube cocktail. So, may booze pa rin siya. Ang sarap pa. Parang matutorn ka between kung ice cream ba siya or cocktail. Kasi una mong matitaste is yung ube. And then, yung aftertaste niya, yung booze or yung alak. And it's a nice combination. Yeah. Cheers, guys! I love my job.
We started a cafe, but in keeping with our charter, we wanted to make it sustainable and do a plot to plate or farm to table. And so we have our tiny little herb and vegetable garden that's growing well.